For day 2 notes, we're going to look at simplifying expressions before we do the equations. So one, you have to remember distributive property, and you have to think about combining like terms. So in letter A, this is considered distributive property. The outside number, you just multiply it to both numbers or terms inside of the parentheses. So we would have 3 times x, which is 3x, and 3 times 8, which is 24. Okay? And in part B, the number that we're going to multiply is on the outside still. It's just on the other side of the main parentheses. So negative 7 times 5b, negative 35b. And then negative 7 times negative 4 is positive 28. Okay? Okay, in letter C, we're just going to distribute or multiply by a negative 1. So negative 1 times 2x is negative 2x. And then negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. In letter D, it's actually the same thing as C here. There's a negative on the outside of the parentheses, and over here in C, there's a negative 1. This implies there's a negative 1 here. So negative 1 times 3x is negative 3x. Negative 1 times negative 7 is positive 7. In letter E, there is not distributive property because there's no parentheses. So we're just going to look to see if we have like terms, and we do because they both have an x on them. So 8x plus 2x gives us 10x. Okay. In F, we look for like terms again. So we've got 4x, 6x, which is positive 6x, and that's it. So 4x and 6x make 10x. And then negative 5 and 4 are like terms because they do not have a variable. So negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1. In letter G, we have negative 7x, negative 35, and then I bring down the 3x and the 4. And we find like terms. So negative 7x plus 3x is negative 4x. And negative 35 plus 4 is negative 31. Okay, and the last one, we have a lot of different things that we can combine. So let's first start with our x's. We have a 5x and a negative 3x. That combines to be 2x. Then we have y. So 6y plus 9y is 15y. And then we have 4 and a negative 3. So 4 minus 3 is a positive 1.